Hey guys, so today what we're going to talk about are the reproductive parts of the plant. The other day we were looking at the vegetative parts of the plant. Those were the roots, the stem, and the leaves. And those are the green parts of the plant that in some way or another all plants possess. They're also the first parts of the plant to grow. But today we're going to look at the reproductive parts, which means we're going to look at the flowers, the fruit, and the seeds. So let's start with the flowers. The main function of the flower is to enable sexual reproduction of the plant. Now, how does that happen? Well, on another day, we're going to go over all of the parts of the flower, but basically what that means is that the pollen, that golden yellow powder, is deposited into the female organs of the flower. In order for that to happen, the pollen gets distributed to the stigma, where it goes down this tube, which is called the style, and it ends up in the ovary of the flower where the pollen can begin to convert to ovules and into seeds. How does pollination happen? Well, that happens through the symbiotic relation between different plants and animals. That's the principal way that pollination occurs, and that's why the different petals in flowers are different colors and why flowers have different fragrances to attract the pollinating animals that they need in order for reproduction to occur. Now let's look at the fruit. The fruit is the part of the plant that grows when the ovaries of the flower begin to bulge and fill up with the sugars that are produced by the plant during photosynthesis. You guys can imagine how much energy it takes a plant in order to grow the fruit. The main function of a fruit is to protect the seeds that are inside. So here I've cut open an apple. And for some reason, this apple doesn't contain the normal amount of seeds, but here you would find the seeds of the apple. The fruit's job is to protect the seeds that are inside. Anything that you eat that has seeds inside is a fruit. Now, most flowering plants grow fruits, but not all fruits are edible. The next time you guys cut into a fruit, look at how the seeds are dispersed inside. And now let's go to our final reproductive part, which is the seed. The seed is basically the capsule of the baby plant. And the reason that seeds have a hard coating is because it's protecting the embryo of the baby plant. Now the seed's job is to find the right conditions in order to grow into an adult plant. How do seeds find the correct conditions to grow if they can't just get up and walk on their own? Well, there's different forms in which seeds have adapted to be dispersed in nature. And another day we're going to look at all the different ways that seeds can be dispersed. Here we have some seeds that we planted. Well, we didn't plant them, we put them in water. And you can see that they've already started to sprout. Okay guys, so those are the reproductive parts of the plant. Why don't you guys go take a look in your gardens, go look at the flowers, and go look at what types of pollinators are attracted to different flowers. And another thing you can do is to make a fruit salad and observe how the seeds are dispersed in the fruits as you cut them up. And you can also try to plant some seeds in your garden and grow your own fruits and vegetables. All right guys, hope you have a great day. Bye.